Python, TypeError, argument of type, comment, is not iterable. I'm trying to code a simple Reddit bot which will get into a subreddit, get into a submission, read the comments, and if a comment says feels, it'll post a feels GIF. I get this error, TypeError, argument of type, comment, is not iterable when trying to do has underscore feels equals feels in comment. My code. Error report. First two lines are the printouts of the code until it breaks. Anyone know how to fix this so if comment contains feels somewhere inside of it, it will set has underscore feels to true. Also, once it does go through all of the comments in a submission, it just stops, it doesn't go on to the next submission. Anyone know how to fix that? If you don't know right away, don't bother looking anything up for me, I can find that part out. Comment here looks to be an object with attributes, which inherently is not iterable, like a list or a string. From the pro documentation, you need to access the comments text via the body attribute. So something like, here are some examples about why what you're currently doing does not work.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.